A long-running legal battle has erupted between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission. Due to the current case, XRP was delisted by a large number of licensed crypto exchanges in the United States. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk all about why XRP may be permanently delisted from crypto exchanges according to Bitboy Crypto, as well as what's going on in the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit. Moreover, we will talk about the latest XRP price predictions. We also have XRP price analysis and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So if you're someone who likes to stay updated about the current cryptocurrency matters, you're in the right place. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money in crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we? For starters, it's even more important now for us to keep an eye on specific factors that might drive prices further higher because it is one among the first crypto assets and has a significant amount of experience. Likewise, it also has a large research team behind it that ensures that all system improvements are made in response to the demands and requirements of the ecosystem's investors. XRP has been able to carve out a niche in the industry while lowering expenses by implementing a dependable and efficient infrastructure. In fact, the infrastructure they utilize has become more popular among financial institutions all around the world. All of these variables contributed to XRP receiving strong investor support during the last 21 months, causing the charts to appear hopeful and speculative of greater future for this cryptocurrency. Bitboy, a Canadian cryptocurrency exchange, has confirmed that XRP would be delisted on January 13, 2022. Users may trade the token against the Canadian dollar and Bitcoin on the exchange. Both the XRP CAD and XRP BTC markets will be withdrawn from the trading plan platform in January. Before the delisting, Bitboy is advising users to remove any leftover tokens from the exchange. It goes on to say that XRP would be replaced by unknown coins. The OSC has approved the registration. Bitboy became the first crypto trading platform in Canada to receive clearance from the Ontario Securities Commission to operate as a fully licensed dealer in early December. The exchange stated in its most recent release that it must follow the OSC's rules when determining whether a cryptocurrency may be classed as a security. Bitboy claims that it must consider the views of foreign regulators. If the legal situation changes, the exchange does not rule out the possibility of relisting XRP on its platform. Strictly speaking, they said, "We will continue to watch the situation with XRP and will take appropriate action if circumstances change." Newton, one of Canada's most popular cryptocurrency exchanges, stated earlier this month that it will delist the Ripple-affiliated cryptocurrency as well as Tether, the world's largest stablecoin. The SEC's unprecedented case against Ripple was filed around a year ago, beginning a heated legal struggle that XRP supporters think will have a huge influence on the larger cryptocurrency market. Due to the regulatory ambiguities surrounding the cryptocurrency, a number of US-based exchanges including Coinbase, Kraken, Binance.US, and other trading platforms halted XRP trading in January. Binance and Huobi account for the majority of XRP trading volume. As Bitboy stated in one of his videos, he believes that 2022 will be the year of XRP despite all the delistings happening. He also told us about the fact that Mark Cuban, the billionaire entrepreneur and television personality, has also gone all in on XRP. Come on guys, of course, he is not just going blindly all in on XRP. Mark Cuban is intelligent enough to know if XRP is worth it or not, and if he believes in XRP's potential, what is it to say that we shouldn't? For all we know, it's just a matter of time when XRP explodes. The lawsuit has loomed over Ripple for the past year, making it difficult for them to ensure the XRP develops and achieves the levels that it should. The year 2022 has been suggested as the year in which this lawsuit would come to a finish. With such high hopes for this year, it's possible that XRP may see a considerably greater adoption rate. The community's variety and worldwide acceptance are two of the main reasons why it has become a favorite among many investors. XRP employs a technology that has not been seen in any other cryptocurrency. As a result, we should expect to see a lot more financial institutions take advantage of the cutting-edge technology available to them. CBDCs, in reality, have become a question of when rather than if, according to specialists. This has become a significant remark that has altered how potential investors saw the notion of cryptocurrencies and CBDCs. As soon as the case is over, we should expect a significant increase in cryptocurrency values. The XRP will benefit even more from the real-world implementation of this cryptocurrency. XRP is one of the most promising cryptocurrencies for long-term investments due to its wide range of uses. As previously said, 2022 will undoubtedly be the year in which this cryptocurrency explodes and prices skyrocket. It will also be the year in which they will be able to significantly grow the number of investors and, as a result, develop the community in ways never seen before. In terms of community support and the technology employed in their systems, XRP has a lot of promise. We can't emphasize enough how important this is to us, and we believe that the current XRP pricing is a bargain that no investor should pass up. Many investors even say that this is an excellent coin for beginners who are still learning about various cryptocurrency principles. Despite the fact that XRP is a cryptocurrency, there is a good potential that it will become one of the most powerful to have ever entered the market. Investors have been able to add more than 200 million coins to their portfolios in only 3 months. This indicates that investors are fine-tuning their portfolios in anticipation of something that will fundamentally alter the way we think about cryptocurrencies in general. As soon as the current lawsuit is over, XRP will be able to make some significant changes. This will assist to erase the misunderstanding that many investors have about it, which prevents them from investing in it. As a result, most of it has devolved into an observation phase during which investors keep a careful eye on events occurring and make judgments in their best interest. Also, according to a recent article released by Bourse News, Attijara Wafa Bank, which is Morocco's largest banking institution with $53.5 billion in assets under control, has joined the Ripple network. The collaboration will enable the bank to execute real-time transactions with its partners. Santander, Bank of America, Insuind Bank, Banco Rendimento, and other banks are among RippleNet's financial partners. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse stated last month that the company has had its greatest year ever. With on-demand liquidity, a payment solution that employs XRP as a bridge currency, now contributing to a fourth of all transactions. Blockchain, according to Adnan Driouche, head of international cash management at the Rabat-based bank, is a quick and foolproof method of money transmission. Attijara Wafa Bank has almost 4,900 branches in the United Kingdom, China, Madrid, Tunisia, and other countries, and its shares are traded on the Casablanca Stock Exchange. For years, Ripple has been laser-focused on the MENA region due to legal issues on its home soil. The area has become the place to be for the struggling corporation. The National Bank of Kuwait introduced a Ripple-powered remittance service in late 2018. The Egyptian National Bank joined the Ripple network in May. Garlinghouse stated in an October interview with Bloomberg that the Middle East was Ripple's fastest-growing area. This happened after Ripple announced a cooperation with Al Ansari Exchange, a Dubai-based foreign exchange firm. Moreover, the SEC's case against the payments behemoth, according to Ripple community attorney Jeremy Hogan, might be resolved by April 2022. The price of Ripple has risen as a result of this. Hogan and XRP2 proponents and U.S. legal counsel expect that the case will be resolved shortly. Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse is optimistic that the Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit will be resolved by April 2022. In a CNBC interview, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse updated users on the company's development in 2021. Despite a slow-moving legal procedure, Garlinghouse added, "We're seeing quite excellent progress." As the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit nears its conclusion, crypto analyst, trader, and educator at Bitboy Crypto predicts a surge in the altcoin's price. XRP pump when no one is looking, the analyst said on Twitter. That's why we believe XRP will outperform Bitcoin, Ethereum, and pretty much every other cryptocurrency this year, given that XRP will provide beneficial returns to its investors and make millionaires in no time. That said, this is it for today's video. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about the relisting of XRP on Coinbase and if you would consider buying XRP. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit that bell icon, and see you in the next video.